Good morning guys, welcome back to Adventure Times UK, and of course I'm back at Thorpe Park. See if I can capture Hyperia testing day 3. For us it would be day 2, but it's third day of testing, so hopefully it would have sped up from the first test. So let's go have a look and see. I'll never get bored of that view. I'm standing where I stood the other day to film it. This has appeared. I don't know what this is. Maybe it's to do with like filming and stuff. They've got somewhere to shout the cameras away. But not much is happening just yet. But they didn't start testing until 2 o'clock over the last couple of days anyway. So, and the maintenance bay. Let's see if we can get it. Now has stairs going up to the 2 doors. Small updates, but they're updates all the same. Just so somebody has pointed this out to me. Second trains have arrived. Just about to head down Monk's Walk, but I thought I'd come in and see the new stuff. So we've got a new swarm bear and pillow. And of course, most importantly, there are new pins. We have 2 new saw ones. Oh, it's got the head trap on it. There is another one, I believe, but it's not in the shop. But if I get a chance to show you later, I will go into the other. Oh, there it is. Got the new Nemesis Inferno. Now off to Monk's Walk. Monk's Walk, here I come. Let's go. We definitely lied when we said a little while ago that it would be our last walk down, but I want to get a nice close-up view of the train as soon as they're on the track between the maintenance bay and the station, so I want to see it up close myself. It's how I always know something's going down, is when the Mac car is here. I mean, obviously we know something's going down because we've seen the second trains arriving, but we are starting to approach like the main part of Thorpe. So you can see through there, you've got stealth. So let's carry on walking. If you look, you can see a train. I can see the second Hyperia train on a track. You can't really see it very clearly, but as I get closer, you definitely will be able to. Part of the second train. look at that beauty. It looks so much nicer up close. So we're going to head back round to the park now, but I just wanted to give it another quick little update. The maintenance bay now has doors on it. If you look here and here, they now have doors, so they can completely secure it now, which is great. So exciting stuff. So now that we know that the train number 2 is on site, I don't think there's going to be any testing today because they are working on putting that on. However, I am going to head back into the park. I'm going to see what there is to see on park. I don't think, like I said, I don't think it's going to test today. But I might come back over the weekend, I might not. We'll see. But it'll be nice to see them do a test on like a 2-train service. But oh, talking of, okay, I lied. The second part of the second train is heading back down there, so I'm going to go back down there and watch it again. Probably won't film it again because it'll be the same as what it was a minute ago, but it's quite nice to watch it. It's intriguing. As you can see, there's the second part, well, the second cart to the second train, so 2 of 2. Oh, so exciting. Hello, you beauty. So I've managed to get yet another angle for Hyperia testing. It's not the best angle, but My god, it's so quiet. Although you do get a warning before it's going to test, so there is like an alarm that goes off, and then it comes out very slowly, and then it starts to pick up pace. Oh my god. I ran to get the station, then what I could mid, and then coming in. You can't really see very much, but yeah, I'm going to head back to the park now, and hopefully it will test again between now and closing. Oh, fingers crossed. So I'm back in the park. Let's see what's happening with that.
The ride is about to start. Please clear the ride area. Once again, the ride is about to start. Please clear the ride area.
A little update from Burger King. It looks like you're going to be able to order from outside as well. That's cool. Nice little update. Okay, so see multiple angles of Hyperia. It ended up testing about 8 times, I think I counted today. Towards the end of the day they just started lapping it, which is great to see. So if you like our content, please comment, like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.